channel. God. Oh my god, like I'm shivering, guys. Hello guys, so let's get to the intro. Guys, severely thunderstorming around here in Hyderabad right now, and I'm like seriously scared. I'm about to drop my phone at the out of the edge. Oh my god, guys, it's thunderstorming like hell, and it's raining like cats and dogs. Same as yesterday, it was like full sunny in the morning. Oh my god. Oh no, it's going to sound. No, no, no. Close your eyes. Ears. No. Oh my god, guys. Somebody's. No. Seriously. God, I'm seriously scared, guys. Even the power is still on. I'm like scared there might be an electric. Oh, don't know. No sound will come. I'm seriously have no idea where to look. I'm just going to point over here because this is the clean area where thunderstorms are about to happen. Guys, I hope you can hear my voice. No. My god, like guys, I'm seriously scared, but I have to film this for you guys because it's monsoons of India, especially Hyderabad. It's going to sound, guys. Wait a minute. Oh, that was less. Oh, that was not less. Oh my god. I'm just keeping the camera in the same direction because thunderstorms are most likely to happen in the same direction. Guys, I have a fun fact for you. Do you know why we can see the light? Oh my god. My eyes are about to explode, guys. It's going to sound. Guys, I have a fun fact for you. Do you know why we can see light faster than sound? It's because light is faster than sound. So we can technically see light before the sound. Oh my god, I'm capturing legendary moments in camera. I hope my camera is okay and I can record it. Seriously scared, guys. It started raining. Oh my god. I don't know where to point the camera. Guys, these sounds are literally like a dinosaur walking. I'm feeling that a dinosaur is walking. Oh my god. There's full black, guys. Guys, I'm scared. Help me, please. Oh my god, guys. Please help me. God. Seriously, guys, I'm so scared. It's full pitch black around me. That one single thunderstorm blew out the current. Hope you can see the thunderstorms, guys. Guys, please help me. I'm literally scared. Okay, guys. Guys, I'm gonna be silent because um, my silence will help you hear the sound better. Whenever there's a thunderstorm, I'll show it to you guys. Whenever there's a thunderstorm, I'll show it to you guys. Yep, there's full light, but no sight. Guys, it's raining like cats and dogs, and like, guys, can you see? It's raining heavily. I just missed the thunderstorm. It's raining full heavily, guys. Listen to the sound of rain. Kind of missed the thunderstorm. Well, the petrol bunk is having light because they're using generator. Guys, it's heavily raining. Focus camera. My camera is unable to focus. Wait a minute, guys. Oh my god, guys. My camera. Right. Let's go. It's amazing, guys. The rain. It's truly beautiful. That's it. Sound is about to come. Guys, this sound literally reminds me of Jurassic Park 1, where the paleontologist sits in the car, and when T-Rex is coming in, the water shakes. It's the same exact sound. Like, I'm literally scared, and I'm thinking like a dinosaur is about to come, because it's 2020, and you can never expect what can come out of 2020. Maybe an alien invasion might come. Yeah. Oh my god, guys. Oh, no. Ah, come on. The building blocked the view. Well, at least you can hear the sound. Wait a minute. Did the thunderstorms keep a silencer? Because you are unable to hear. I think they kept a silencer. Yeah. Sound is coming in. Yeah. slow sound. Oh, come on, this building is blocking the view of the thunderstorm. Wow, guys, amazing. Oh, no. Guys, it's cheating, guys. This is cheating. No, like. Yeah, the two big clouds here and here. I'm literally scared. God. Hope no lightning falls down near me. Yeah, two cars are coming. You can see the rain. Oh my god, seriously, no cheating. You can see the rain, guys. There's a river. Oh my god. And select this.
ఆల్రెడీ ఖరాబ్ అయింది. ఆఫ్ చేయి ఒకసారి ఆఫ్ చేయి.
ఈడ వస్తుంది ఇదే కరెక్ట్ అండి నాకు వస్తుంది
ఇది ఉందండి, ఇది ఉంది కదా, ఉందండి ఉందండి.
ఇట్లా రానే రాలేదు పని వచ్చింది.
వాటర్ బట్ ఫోన్ ఖరాబ్ అయితే వస్తుందిరా.
అన్ని ఖరాబ్ అవుతాయి అంటే Oh my god, my eyes are flashing because I'm about to become blind or something. Let's go. I'm going to film the entire rain. You see, guys? I'm going to film the entire rain. In the news channel, please use my video. Just asking. TV9V6, please use my video. Hello, thunderstorms. Where are you? God, it's like I can't show you. Oh my. Well, now the thunderstorms are either back of my house or this house is blocking the way. That's it. Like, oh my, oh no. You can hear the sound. That's enough, right, guys? And thanks for the support on the last video, heavy rains in Hyderabad. Thanks, you guys. 3 likes, 13 views. Thank you. Yep. Okay, yeah. I caught the thunderstorm. Yeet. Right. Yeet. Let's go. Woo. My god. The bass of the sound is incredible. You can literally see your feet shaking and your heart pounding like hell. The bass is mind-blowing. It's natural bass. Yeah. Okay, let's continue. Let's go. Any ghosts, please don't catch me. I'm like scared. I'm afraid of ghosts. Let's see. Yeah, caught it. Caught another one. I'm not catching Pokemon, guys. Don't worry. I'm just catching thunderstorms. Let's go. Woo. It's pitch black out here, and I'm literally scared. Guys, do me a favor. Someone in the comments count how many times I have said I'm literally scared. I'll be giving a shout out in the next video to whoever finds out that whoever finds out how many times I have said I'm literally scared. Okay, guys. Now let's get back to the video. Yep. And I missed another one. Oh no. I'm literally scared that my phone will fall down. It's like a nightmare to me. Let the bass of the thunderstorms feel in your eyes, ears, eyes, everything. Watch it. Watch the video and enjoy. I'm right here for you to record and post it on YouTube, on Rajesh Gaming YouTube channel. So please subscribe, like and share the video also, guys. Thank you. Now let's again get back to the video. Yep, caught another one. Someone in the comments again count how many thunderstorms I have caught on camera. Oh, come on, this building is blocking my view. This is cheating. And guy, okay, stop please. Okay, audience, stop. Okay. And guys, sorry for the late delay of my videos because I am currently now in 9th class and I have to manage my studies along with YouTube as well. So it is difficult for me to upload regular videos. So I am sorry, guys. After 10th class means after 2 years, I'll be uploading regularly, guys. Please support me. Don't forget my channel. Thank you. Let's get again back to the video. God. Let's go, thunderstorms. Thunderstorms, build a hype, please. Hype. HYPE. Let's go. Come on. Oh, come on, I can see only light. Don't block. Oh, come on, this is cheating. Okay. Sorry. Don't be angry on me. Sorry. I'm literally sorry. Don't be angry on me. My god, the sky is pitch black. Oh my god, my camera is unable to capture it. Oh, come on. This is 1080p at 60 frames per second, guys. If you are wondering, and this is the iPhone 7 and I'm facing many problems to record. So please don't mind the quality, guys. The audio will be good, I guess. Yep, missed another one. All you can see is disco lights. You cannot see clear lightning. I'm sorry, guys. The lightning gods are angry on me. What should I do? I'm recording a downside view of rain. Yeah, no cheating. Come on, you can see my hand. You can literally, there's this much space and you choose this space. Oh, come on, man. Okay. Thunder gods, please, I just need an epic shot over right here. Please, epic shot and end of the video. 1 lakh views, 1 million views, something. I'll get gods, please. An epic view, thunderstorm right here, and done. That's the thumbnail. Views over, done. I'll be rich. Oh, I'll be famous. I'll be something, guys. Please, gods, please help me. No, come on. I might literally catch a cold standing out in the weather, guys. But for you, I can do anything. So please like my videos and watch and help me get monetized, please guys. Let's go, come on. All I can see is disco lights. Where's the lightning, man? And you can hear sound as well. But where's the lightning? Go Swami. There's a meme going on. Come on. There's a meme. Okay. Continue lightning. So guys, there's a meme going around India like Rasode Me Konta. Something, it's a serial. Well, I don't watch serials, so I don't know. But the meme is Rasode Me Konta. Does anyone know? It's kind of 3 weeks old meme. Okay, leave it. Let's get back to the video. And here is a shot of rain. Yep. Guys, literally there's no thunderstorm over here in front of my eyes. It's pitch black but no thunderstorm. There's only lights. So guys, I'm going to end the video right here, and don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe my channel. I'll be meeting you guys in the next video. Peace out. Peace. Guys, the gods are cheating me, like seriously. I just had gone into my home and there was a like big lightning over here and I was unable to capture it. Sorry guys, but hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye guys, this is official bye. Tata, see you later.